Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand the laws of exponent through these questions. So let's start with today's video solution. So there are three questions here. In the first, it is in terms of x power m times x power n. So we can write x power m plus n. And the second, it is in terms of x power m power n, which we can write x power mn or x power n power m. And the third one, y power m by y power n, we can write it as y power m minus n. So let's simplify this. So first we can write it as 2 power 3 plus 4, which is equals to 2 power 7. Now 5 power 2 power 3, 5 power 2 times 3, that is 5 power 6. So, and this is your homework question, the third part. Write down your answer in the comment box. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.